Who are you? Who are you? What's your name?
Again?
What's your name?
Cora. And she's Isabel. Dun dun dun.
Okay, we are going through the nature of the natures. I'm going to post this on my YouTube channel.
I fell on the
I'm going to post this on my YouTube channel later, bro.
YouTube channel. Ooh.
Yeah. I have 2 subscribers. I'm going to post to my fans.
What's your fans?
My brother and one of my other friends.
Oh shit.
There's a doggo over there on the outside. Can we not eat the dog?
Yeah. No. Can you fucking Morgan?
I see. Okay. Let's carry on going through the. Let's just walk right round the. Can we just walk right round the park until we get to that base over there that me and you've made? Well, me and you found.
I don't know.
We can walk right round to it and give the. Ah! I'm
Okay.
a slip, bro. I slipped on that stupid rock. It's not even a rock. It's wood. Ah! Slipped again.
Hold on to my jumper then.
No, I'm right.
Okay.
If I fall, I've got it on document and I can sue the people that own this park.
And then you'll get.
I'm not Karen. I'm not joking. I'm joking. Oh my God, these nettles. Nom 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 nom.
Oh, yeah. Down,
Thank you.
Cora, down.
Bye.
I can't even see you.
Who's coming?
Oh shit.
Who's coming?
Nah, we're going.
Okay. What are they gonna do?
Don't run.
Don't run, you'll fall.
And then die to your death.
Yeah, innit? You'll die of death. Okay, let's carry on. This is a bit weird. I don't like it. What's going on?
It's alright, though.
If he doesn't see you, then it'll be fine. She's deaf.
On this ear door.
On that ear. I'm not deaf. Oh. Sometimes I don't want to be happy. They're going away. Oh, I died again of death. Died of death. Where are we even? I don't like it in this bit. I don't like it in this bit. I do want to go.
We can go through another way.
Let's go through. Which way are we going through? We go through here.
Alright.
I'll get the course. If you stay here, I'll tell you when you can come out when they're not looking. Hey!
I found fireworks.
Don't use those. Who are you? What's your name?
Fireworks.
Logan. What's your name?
Found more.
I'm documenting a YouTube video.
Come on.
Out. 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 Come on. What are you doing, Shannon? What's going on here? Okay, let's go. Don't light those.
I'm getting more trouble.
What are we doing now? Yeah, we'll go through this way. Hey, stop. Sorry, headphone users. Oh my God, this is even scarier in here, but it's fine. I'll go anyway. Oh my God, my shoes are soaked now.
What?
My shoes are all wet because they're not waterproof.
Mama. Here.
She almost slipped, bro. Thank you. If I slip, I will scream it off. Whoa, okay.
Oh shit.
Oh, let's just walk now. By the way, apparently there's a killer in here, but I don't believe it. But I do believe it at the same time.
Someone set a fire in it.
Why would you send a why? That just makes me not want to come in here even more.
It's alright. She'll walk in front.
Okay, thank you. So then if there's a fire behind us, I'll be the first to die.
The fire set the whole town on fire.
The whole what? The whole bit of wood? So if a fire sets behind me, it's going to kill me first? No, because I'm right at the back, if it sets behind us. Okay. We're right near the train track too, that's dangerous.
The fire brigade came.
That's from when it was on. Is that why you're not allowed in here, Cora?
Yeah.
Because there was a fire
Right,
once.
you go in front.
That's just scary, that. What if a train comes and it like explodes us all?
Yeah, it's still on with that fucking hand. Makes you fall.
Yeah.
The other player.
This is scary.
Ah, shit, fucking my Jack. Keep going.
What if a train comes and then it's right? I can hear it. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. I can hear something coming on the train. Ah, it's got whacked in the face with sticks. It's fine. Just a bit of a pain, you know. Oh my god. I can hear a train come in.
This is where we just sit in.
I'm not sitting right next to the train track.
Oh, this is actually quite nice.
Can we go to that bit where we were before, all over there?
I know where it is.
Yeah, it's right over there. We can still hear them all the way over there. God. We keep getting whacked with sticks.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's not really your fault, but you know. Yeah, here we are. All we can see is Cora, because Cora's just there.
We're that massive game.
Yeah, that's what I was on about. Oh, Megan's gone a different way. There we are. We was here before. And basically, let's give a tour of our house. So, starting over here, you've got Megan and Cora over there chilling. Do a little dancey dance. Okay, you can stop now. Okay, so this is the entrance. So, if I run up here, you've got this nice little front garden, and you've got the entrance here. So, you've got this around it as well. Go through the entrance. Okay, so here we are in the main hall, the main grand hall.
What's a mum?
Who wants a mum?
Do you want a mum? Who wants to be a mum?
I don't know. I'll be a mum. Okay, so this is where we put Shannon in a hole. That never happened, but it's going to happen in the future. And then this way is where you get to the main house, and Megan climbing a tree.
This is lit.
That's
red room.
That's her bedroom. And then you carry on walking through the grand hall where there is a train track.
For our TV.
And I can hear a train coming.
And then over here is my room.
This is her room.
Mom.
What? Oh God.
Mom, this is my room. Come on.
This is her room. This was the living room last time I checked.
This is my room.
This is her room.
Quite small, but you have your little toilet.
Oh, it's too dark. Wait, I put flash on. Okay, we've got flash on now, so you can see. Okay, let's go out and we can explore our garden. Okay, I don't need flash on now. I don't think.
So you're the mum, you're the kid. Man.
You can be the father, but we're divorced.
Okay.
But we still live together, but we've got bunk beds instead. So we're still good mates. She's got a box. She's not going to handle it. Okay, let's explore this. Okay, here we are. Beautiful zip wire. Whee! Got them two over there. Huh? Cobra, where are you going? Okay, let's go to our other area. Where? Yes, I'm coming. We might need the flash in here too. It's a bit dark.
Yeah.
Here we go. Okay. Don't say that.
Mom.
Okay, I'll be the dad then. We'll turn. Megan's already gone. She's gone. She's gonna die one day. I need to pause the video for 2 seconds, okay? Guys, be back.
Okay.
Wait, still there? Still there? Wait, just wait there for a second. Got a picture of you. We'll get lots of pictures as well and put them at the end.
Yeah.
Why don't we explore from here?
Okay, come on, Meg.
We're gonna explore through this part. Megan, hurry up!
Wait for a child.
She got her zebra pants.
Wait, I'm the one who gave birth.
Yeah, I know. Okay, we're going through some more bushes. I saw a ginger cat in here once and it scratched me.
Right, let our child go first.
Child, go first, and if there's a fire, it'll get you first. Okay, it's very slippery here. This is the land of the otters. This is the land of the otters. It's very slippery. If I fall, I'm going to knock everyone over.
Careful, Daddy.
Don't call me daddy, please.
Let's go there.
Oh yeah, here's another route to get out. Another route to get out right here. You just go up there.
My dad will know that I'm in bushes. And
Yeah, so you could go through there. Or you could go the normal way, which is up that way, which is slippery.
oh. I don't want to fall to my death.
She fell to her death! Wow. Okay, let's go down this way, because we haven't gone this way yet. Get up! Get up, wife.
It's gone sweat.
You'll be right.
My mum's even fucking smacked me.
Yeah, don't worry. If she smacks you, I'll smack her. Okay, you grab these. Which,
Oh shit! It looks like shit.
it just looks like you've like slipped, which is what happened.
Yeah, I'm not.
Someone's been having fun right here in this very spot. Someone's been having fun here.
Where's that?
Don't. That. Okay, where should we go now? Let's go through the bit where you go through bars. That's fun.
Hey, I'm in it.
Bishy, bishy.
I'm gonna hide it. I'm gonna fucking hide it. Don't.
Have you got a top underneath? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
You always have a one.
I don't. I have a bar underneath.
You always wear that every single time I see you play out. Well, not always. Okay. On your sock.
On your sock. You're gonna cover up the muck. Oh, my mum's ringing me 1 minute.